In this podcast episode, Andrew Huberman delves into the intricate relationship between neuroplasticity, pain, and healing. The discussion centers on how our nervous system can adapt and change in response to experiences, particularly in the context of pain management and recovery from injuries. Neuroplasticity is the nervous system's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Huberman emphasizes that most people are unaware of how to harness this capability, particularly when it comes to pain. He explains that pain is not merely a physical sensation, but also a subjective experience influenced by cognitive processes. This duality is illustrated through the concept of nociception, which refers to the sensory nervous system's response to harmful stimuli. The complexity of pain perception is highlighted by a case study of a construction worker who experienced excruciating pain from a nail that had not actually penetrated his foot, demonstrating how visual perception can shape pain experiences. Huberman elaborates on the somatosensory system, which is responsible for processing touch and pain sensations. This system comprises various receptors in the skin that respond to mechanical pressure, temperature, and vibration. The information gathered by these receptors is transmitted to the spinal cord and then to the brain, where it is interpreted. The brain's representation of the body, known as the homunculus, reflects the density of sensory receptors in different body parts. Areas with higher receptor density, such as fingertips, are more sensitive to pain than larger areas with fewer receptors, like the back. The discussion also touches on the phenomenon of phantom limb pain, where individuals who have lost a limb continue to experience pain in the absent limb. This occurs because the brain's representation of the limb remains intact, leading to a mismatch between sensory feedback and the brain's expectations. Huberman emphasizes that understanding these mechanisms can help individuals differentiate between actual injury and the perception of pain, which is crucial for effective pain management. Huberman discusses the role of inflammation in the healing process, clarifying that while chronic inflammation is detrimental, acute inflammation is essential for recovery. Inflammation serves as a natural response to injury, recruiting immune cells to the site of damage to facilitate repair. He stresses that adequate sleep is vital for promoting the glymphatic system, which clears debris from the brain and supports recovery. Huberman recommends at least 8 hours of sleep and light physical activity, such as walking, to enhance recovery. A significant portion of the episode focuses on the concept of top-down modulation, which refers to the brain's ability to influence pain perception. Huberman cites research demonstrating that emotional states, such as love, can significantly alter pain experiences. For instance, viewing images of loved ones can increase pain tolerance and reduce the perception of pain. This highlights the power of cognitive and emotional factors in shaping our sensory experiences. Huberman also discusses the implications of this top-down modulation for various pain management techniques, including the use of mirror therapy for phantom limb pain. In this approach, individuals move their intact limb while observing its reflection in a mirror, creating the illusion that the absent limb is moving. This simple visual trick can lead to significant pain relief by remapping the brain's representation of the limb. The episode further explores the benefits of exercise in promoting brain health and recovery from injuries. Huberman notes that low-intensity aerobic exercise, such as Zone 2 cardio, can enhance the function of the glymphatic system and improve overall brain health. He emphasizes that exercise should be approached cautiously, especially following an injury, and should not exacerbate existing pain. Acupuncture is also discussed as a method for pain management. Huberman explains that acupuncture stimulates specific points on the body, which can influence both the somatosensory and autonomic nervous systems. This stimulation can lead to various physiological responses, including the release of neurotransmitters that modulate pain perception. However, he cautions that acupuncture can have both pain-relieving and pain-exacerbating effects, depending on the specific pathways activated. In conclusion, Andrew Huberman emphasizes the importance of understanding the interplay between neuroplasticity, pain perception, and healing. By recognizing that pain is not solely a physical experience, but also a cognitive and emotional one, individuals can leverage various strategies to manage pain and promote recovery. Techniques such as visualization, emotional connection, adequate sleep, and appropriate exercise can all contribute to a more effective approach to pain management.